Oh my, that's super. All right, this is going to be like my first live doing stuff like this. All right, close this up. This is Rive. We're working on super sweet. So basically, I already messed up with my what do they call it now? My character. Come, I can't even see like the. Okay, so this shouldn't be working anymore because I already messed things up. So pretty much you guys understand. I'll just switch back to design. Probably. So you guys understand what's going on my code, right? Basically, I've like covered this in previous videos. So for this one, like it's just like I'm just going to be going over like how I'm going to approach, creating collision stuff. So one thing I've learned is you can just declare all your variables, all the variables that you need. And the way I'm doing this is that, basically every single thing here is actually following like a matrix. So all the walls actually is following this matrix. One. You can see at like the 10th column, you can see it goes down, and then this 0 0 symbolizes like the space. So 10th column, right, space, and you can see it's evenly distributed. So you can see the same thing, 0 0 0 stops here, and then for the same thing here as well, right? Basically like the same thing. So that's a matrix. So I just like, I generated the matrix using like AI, which is like against what I was saying, but it's not AI that's going to help me write the script. I'm going to write the script myself, and I'm going to be making reference to the Luau scripting, Roblox, and also the official UAU documentation by Luau. Like Rive has his own, stuff. So let me check. I'm going to actually check what's going on. Uh, later. Okay. So I'm just trying to check how it's going here. Okay. Okay. So I'm just like, checking how it's going here, so I'll be able to know what's up. Good. So I'm just going to go back to that. So we already have all this going on. Okay. So basically the left trigger is for the left trigger and the right trigger is for the right trigger and all that. So I'll just go ahead, assume that you guys understand all this, remaining stuff and then just go ahead do my stuff. So I've already written all these parts, VMI, context view model. There's a video about that, somewhere on the channel. There's how to like build a realistic game character. You guys already know that. Okay. So what I want to do now is basically work on my collision. So my collision is to say that if okay, yeah. So the next thing I want to do is I want to determine the size of my character. Basically, this solo is okay. Is it trying this solo? I'm just going to select the down solo. So down solo is basically like um, she's telling me what the position is, not telling me the size. Okay, so and it's calculating the position from the center of the solo. So you can already see that it's there like this. So I need to calculate what the distance of the center is to this place. So I'm going to use a box to measure that. So let's find out the size of the box. Box is actually having a 26 width or 26 width and 34 height. It's really the height I need. So I know the height is 34 basically, and that was going to tell me that the distance between here and the bottom part is actually 34. So important for what I want to do. So I'm just going to do the down collision first to see if I actually am going to get it correctly. Um, okay, first let me actually fix what's going on, what could be going on. Okay, there's nothing in my advance. So I'm going to say if down trigger, then, or let's start with up trigger. Then then x yps equals to yps of value, very important, equals to yps dot value times seconds plus or minus seconds times speed. Okay, good. So saying type nil does not have key value, so it's basically because I didn't assign a type. So now that we've assigned a type, it's not going to give us any problem. Okay, so that's it. Then we also say our solo number y actually dot value should be equal to yps dot value modulo dot value modulo okay, so how many? 4 modulo 5 plus 1. All right, look at modulo 4 plus 1 actually. The reason I'm setting modulo 4 plus 1 is actually because else solo number y dot value equals to 1 equals to 0. So let's make you type any and type any. Okay, going to go ahead to save. So let's try that. Let's see if it's working already. I'm just going to switch. Okay, for now I'm going to comment out this data. Oh my god. uh, good. So I just commented that out and I've saved. Let's see to animate mode. Let's see if our game is basically going to be working. Okay, so there's something going on that is not proper. If up trigger, no. If up trigger dot value, look at me. It was true. Then, okay, so we are going to say up trigger now. Going to make you type any. So you don't give us a problem. Then we'll save. Then we'll play again. Okay, now no more problems. Okay. Okay, good. But that's wet. Our work is wet. Alright, so off trigger basically. Then of course there's something else that I'm not catching. Okay, character view. So I've already set the character view now. Extra view. Local extra view. Basically, that one is also the one that will be the one controlling the view. So I'm just going to say that extra view equals to VMI. That's our view model get number x w. Can you imagine that? If not x w, then print not x w. This is not really necessary, but Raul will not allow our code to run because it needs to catch all the errors ahead of time. Let me see if anybody is actually on the live with me. Anybody there? Okay. So I'm just like, checking how it's going here, so I'll be able to know what's up. Good. So I'm just going to go back to that. Okay. So I'm just like, checking how it's going here, so I'll be able to know what's up. Okay, so I'm going to go back. All right, so now extra view. So we have that. I'm going back to stage. So we need to be sure we have our extra view connected. Okay, it is connected. So when we are pressing up, we would need pressing up we need when if then extra view the value should be equals to 0. All right, so that should fix the problem of oh my god, that was a mistake then. So our x value should actually be 3, considering 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's 4 already. So it's going to go 0, 1, 2, 3. So play now. Oh my god, I'm loving that. Definitely our speed is too much, so we're going to have to reduce that. Well, I'll get to that in a bit. All right, so let's quickly set for the rest. So Control C, Control V. I'm going to say if down trigger the value equals true, then extra view must be equal to 0. Then I'm going to change this to plus. Then of course this is correct, but our down trigger is going to give us a lot of problems, so I'm just going to set all this right once and for all. I'm going to save, and we're going to have less problems. Okay, so let's play now. We should have, oh my. Ah, okay, so that means what made a mistake somewhere. Right, solo number is equals to YPOS of value. That's interesting. So we need to be sure that this solo number Y, the value, am I sure I've not made a mistake somewhere? Playing. Oh, So I'm coming. We're having a clash between this and this. So what this is telling us is if this is not true, we should set solo number y the value equals to 0. King, and that's where the clash is coming from. So in order to avoid that, there's a couple of things we can do. But one thing is one of the best things we can do is to create another number on our view model. Then name this solo number y down. Then okay, so I'm just going to declare this local solo number y down. I'm going to give it any, and I'm going to come to our init, and then I'm going to say solo number y down equals to BMI. The other way is for me to walk around that, but right now I just basically want to do my stuff. Um, Solo number y down. Then I'm going to say if solo number y down, then if not, that's the best thing. Not solo. But the best thing I could have just done is to say that, yeah, I could have just say else. I can do else if, I can say else if trigger the value equals false, and and down trigger equals false. So it's then do that. King. So I'm just going to use the same line here as well. So uh, good. So with that, I can just eliminate this solo number y down. I'm not getting any of this because that will be extra work. Okay, I'm going to do the design. Control S. Then we got that. Then we need to play. Good. We are good. Down and up, 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 down and up. Okay. No, okay. Okay, it's really not working the way I want it to work because I need it to end on a neutral post. So if trigger value equals true, And let's do that. And down trigger the value equals false. Then do this. Alright. Okay. Alright, that's one way to do it. Basically experimenting. Okay. So loading and okay. I'm just going to make I'm just going to honestly the best thing would have just been I'm just trying to make my work longer by not by not just assigning different numbers on the view model to this thing. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a way that should work. If up trigger and Y trigger is true, is false, then do this. Then this doesn't still solve the problem. Um, I'll just go with the first solution I was trying to make without trying to make everything complex. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z. Or no Ctrl Z, I'll just delete everything I wrote. Use my else normally. Else. Good. Alright. Then I'm just going to go ahead to delete this. Good. See if there's anybody watching. Oh, add for views at some point. Good. See if there's anybody watching. Oh, add for views at some point. Good. I think I need a lo-fi music, so I'm just going to play one. Let's look for lo-fi music. See if there's anybody watching. Oh, add for views at some point. And then
download the global app. Order anything you want and vibe away.
I need a lo-fi music, so I'm just going to play one.
This is your brain when you're struggling to focus. And this is your brain when you're in the zone. But getting in
lo-fi music. See if there's anybody watching. Oh. Add for views at some point. and then
Download the global app. Order anything you want and vibe
I
away.
need a lo-fi music soundtrack. But like in the music now, we need to go back to what we're doing. What was it? Once we are here, we need to I feel like the volume is not too loud on it. Reducing it. Okay. So we've done all that. Next thing we want to do, okay, so we are just not going to go the lazy route. We're going to do actual work because I'm like, I didn't want to do too much work before I figured like, so I'm just going to go ahead, copy and paste this. Serial number write down. Then last words write down. No serial number write down. Okay, good. Good. So next thing I need to do for the down trigger, it's going to be connected to the opposite. So I'm just going to update bind. So the number white down. And let's play and let's see. Okay, I connected it to the wrong one. If I connect it to the wrong one, what's the opposite? Let me check. Okay. Up. When you move it up, down trigger is true. Is for when you move it down. So this one's supposed to be solo. For I don't know why the value, why this one's supposed to be down. And so why down the value. I don't know why. Okay, so basically I fixed all the problems now. So in other words, we always end up in the south post. Good, that is salt. That is absolutely salt. And I'm liking that. I love the lo-fi vibe, all that stuff. You could maybe go and get my plot or something and just like, sorry, something. Okay, good. Okay, sorry, I'm switching over to the car because I really do not like have another device here that's like, showing me like what the chat sounds like. So I'm just going to I'm going to keep switching back and forth to just like so that's basically working. Just the speed that is too much and I'll be able to work on that. So okay, so for that we have done that. So before I move forward, so I won't have to stress myself again and just do solo X to something. Solo that's done. Let's go back to rename this. Make this y up, y down. Basically, my my code is going to start complaining. X left. I'm going to say local solo number x y. That's any. Okay, good. We have that. It's already complete. I'm going to say y up, then y down. After y up, and I'm going to have to say this y down. Okay, good. So number y up. Okay, so this is for the left. So solo number x left equals. So some of you might already notice that I'm not, the moment you've already declared the local at the top, you don't need to keep declaring the local again. Solo number x left, and I'm going to say if not solo number. What's up, guys? I think I'm feeling so elated today, and I think that's because maybe like I forgave someone or decided to give to someone, and my mind is like feeling so good. I'm like, oh my god, Barnabas, you got me like a better person. Alright, because very recently I've been trying to avoid everybody. I don't know why. I just felt like to live life on my own, and I don't help people. I've been running away from really helping people. But as we know that that's not the right way to live. I don't know how people live super selfishly. Like, it's very hard. Let's just keep on going. Okay, good. We have that. Let's make that. Okay, so this is giving us some code issues. Let's go down. And then I'm happy to change all this because I've changed the name of the code self. Okay, let's be sure that we are good. Solo number x. Solo number x. Okay, this one is going like this. Y up, y down, x left. I'm just going to have to delete you since I've already replaced that. Okay, good. Control S. So then let's go. I'm going to say if. It's basically getting sweet now from here. If left trigger dot value, very important, you have to put this dot value. If not, because the X trigger itself, left trigger itself is like a bunch of code, is like a memory address. So whatever it is you have in your data binding is like your memory address. So when it's just a left trigger, say if left trigger dot equals to true, because this left trigger that we're talking about, it's not a boolean stuff, it's like a data stuff. So you have to get the actual value, like what is encoded within that memory space. So that's why I'm always at this value. So left trigger dot value. Then let's see, do I have anybody on a live chat at they say if you better for me to like document everything I'm doing like on the internet, than for me to just like keep doing everything like on in my own space. Okay, so let's move forward. Let you guys through, then we need to send our view dot value. We need to set view to what will that be? Side to the right or left? That will be to 2. Then we're going to say xPOS dot value equals to xPOS dot value plus left. It's going to be minus second times speed. Then we say solo x left equals to xPOS dot value modulo 4 plus 1. Good. Then we'll introduce our else. Number x left dot value. Can you imagine? Equals to xPS. And then one thing that is very important is equals to one thing that is very important and something that I figured out is that for us as human beings here, we prefer to like do things that we know. Especially when it comes to coding, like I don't want AI to do coding for me. Like I want to be able to do my own coding stuff. Like I enjoy the process, and it's one reason why I find it super weird, for me to just outsource everything to like AI. AI just do this for me, it out for me. I think it just makes you don't have fun in the process. It's like okay, you don't know what but I feel like a lot of people would have a lot of problems with that. So this one is meant to be 1. Then we're going to change this to plus. We're going to right, and this is not going to change. So if you're watching, okay, so last person, good. Yeah, right. Okay, so control S, let's test if our basic stuff is working. And that's one thing you always have to check. And I what you said is actually working. No, it's not working. Wait, let me play. Is it giving me any console problems? Attempt to index name with value. So let me be sure what is actually a problem. Not solo X right. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot to solo number X left now. I need to assign it. X right? No, it's meant to be X left. Okay, good. Then go back to our script. Currently do not have any errors. Line 138. Number right. X right. Didn't I give it any? Give it any now. Okay, our stuff should run now. I made a mistake. There's one thing about like doing stuff like this. must have like made one mistake somewhere, and then your code is not beautiful. Right trigger value. For some, I need to be careful set to any. First, first place there could be problem is when I set this solo number x left. Solo number x right. Did I spell it correctly? Oh my. I just spelled it correctly. Let me just change the number here real quick so that I don't have to go through. Okay. Best name convention, but anyways, anyone would work. You can see how something affected our code. With that, we have that. So we need to first reduce the speed. This is why I set the speed. So we set the speed to 10. Now let's see. Word. Okay. 10 is basically too slow for us. So we're going to set the speed to 10. Okay, so it's not like 10 is too slow. I'm going to still set it to 10, but it's something that is happening with the speed of the rate at which our solo is changing. So I'm going to have to divide that. I'm going to have to divide that. Divide that by 5 maybe. And let's see how that affects. Okay, good. That's also now too slow. So we are going to divide it by, let's say 2, let's just say 4. Okay, so that means, okay, that's not working. So let's try 3. Oh my. Can you imagine? I didn't know like the higher I go, the slower it's going to be. So let's try 1.5. 1.5. Can you imagine? I was basically like 2 has to be the perfect because I don't know. Ah, 2 should have been 8, but it's a little bit too slow. So let's try 1.8. Oh, I think I also made a mistake here. It should be modulo 5. Modulo 5 plus 1. Okay, that's what we are getting. Okay, so that's pretty much okay. That's pretty much okay. Our side is actually like rushing too much. So I'm just going to probably divide that one by 3. So see that you need to do a little bit of work divided by 3. Divided by 3. So, Loki, one of my thoughts is actually why is it not possible for us to like maybe be able to select the text and then maybe press Control open bracket or something, and then it just automatically puts it inside bracket. I think bugs me every time. Okay, we're kind of cool with that. Okay, 3 is actually kind of too slow for me. So this is so okay. So this is okay. I'm going to have to reduce the one for this and make it 2 because a little moving a little bit faster than I want. Okay, that's good. The speed is actually perfect for us as it stands. Okay, good. Let me clear our console because that's not a problem we're experiencing anymore. Alright, so now that we've gotten our depart set, currently the next thing we need to figure out is how to set our collision. We're excited to see our collision. Say, hey, okay, someone is there. Don't worry, you could say hi, you know, if you want to ask me a question. Okay, good. Okay, so you can leave a comment, if you want to ask any question. Okay, so now that we have that said, the next thing we want to do is actually that we want to next thing we want to do is we want to set up our collision. So currently you can see that our character is walking on the wall. I don't want that to happen, so we need to set it to work. So I've done since the entire field is following this matrix that is actually here. So everywhere there is 1 represent a place where there's a wall. So I basically designed this the whole maze, around this matrix. So because of that, it's very easy for me to be able to stop it whenever it's doing rubbish. Okay, so I'm just going to comment around that. I'm going to save it. So how do we make the most of this matrix? The first thing we need to do is what I've already done. We've tried to determine because this position right here, this X position is or Y position is basically the position from the center of our solo. Which is crazy because our solo is not center aligned. That's interesting. So I'm just going to very reason. No reason. All of our solos should be aligned. Should be aligned to each other. This is the only one that's proven a little bit stubborn. something weird with, and I think I forgot that with the way Rive does the alignment, you can't just click on it once and it does the job. You have to click multiple times. And it's just dawning on me that I've been forgetting that. Okay, so we are good now. Okay. I think. Ouch, my leg. And I'm hoping for like good things, beautiful things, constantly connection request. Alright, good. So what do we do next? We go to our note creator and we ensure that we have that. Okay. So basically, so let me move further. Oh my. So the next thing we want to do is we want to ensure that these are our zero center. So press Y and basically try to position at the center. Okay, not sure whether this is the center, but it's kind of close. So this is so important because we need the because we need this distance as well as this distance, because this point is the position is definitely going to always going to be showing us the center from the center. So we need to determine, number one, what is this length, and also we need to figure out this length as well. So already I can see from here that the height of this one is 33. You can see from here that the width of this one is 12. You can write that somewhere. The pen will be here. 12 and 33. Can you write it somewhere? Right. Oh, 33. So now that we have that done, let's see. Oh, it's actually not. Now, so we'll just start with one first. So we can do the rest later. So I'm going to come back to my script. So the next thing we'll need to do is to be able to divide the. So I'm just going to say local row. I'm going to say local column. Good. Then I'm going to say, come here to say then I'm going to come here to say rho equals to exponential of value divided by 21. And the reason why I'm dividing by 21 is because of this is like a 21 by 21 matrix. Oh, not divided by 21 actually. It's going to be divided by 180. It's going to be divided by 180 divided by 21. So 1080 being the entire size is backward. So and this would allow us to know where exactly we are. Instead of using 1 views, I'm going to say column. Local row. Oh my god, very much. Then we'll say column. That's XPS. Good. So this one will tell us precisely. So this number is never going to be greater than 21 because our XPS is never going to be greater than 1080. So that's basically working for us. So since we have that, once it goes through here, whatever value that it's here would, okay, we could basically do all this in front. I'm gonna say it down already. Problem variable net matrix never used. Never used. Okay, that's not a problem too because we're going to use them. The reason why I'm not declaring them within sorry, it's part of all the weird things that goes on during a live stream. You see me like going through like my weird. Okay, good. Let's go. Open-minded. Oh my god, I don't like this vibe, man. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so when we have that, we need to then say that, okay, so by the time we do this already, we need to delete this because we've already done that in front. So we need to actually now come here to tell our up trigger that if and maze matrix and maze that, okay, go through this maze matrix. It's like a simple stuff. Let me see if there's anybody. Okay, there's nobody watching right now. That made the best of. Okay, so it's basically what this means is that whatever row we are, whatever column it is, we need to use it to check. We're basically trying to check what's here. Let's say, for instance, I'm trying to move. So depends on whatever is the content is going to. Now, where the problem is would be that we need to calculate for the future value. Okay, so yes, future value. So now for this, we need to check ahead of time that if y period of value, because we need to calculate ahead of time that, okay, if we move this, is it going to be entering into the stuff? So we need to put a value that calculates ahead of time. So this y period of value now would be, okay, we need to understand how many, what's the distance that we can move within a given press. What's the maximum distance? So we need to set that. So I'm just going to say plus. Well, there's a way to do this. I think I should just do this within. I'm just going to declare all this ahead of time. Or okay, don't worry. I'm just going to do this inside my advance because I think it's better for me to do this in my advance. I'm just going to say local row equals to xps.value. This one will be yps. Local row sort of nest it. So I'm going to say if this is true, and then I'm going to delete that. Then I'm going to say then I need to help me check row. I need to check look on new y position would be y pos dot value. Y pos dot value minus seconds times. Then if that's the case, I'll now say row now. Row will be ypos dot value new ypos. And column will still remain you can now put if maze matrix row column and okay, good. Okay, so this way, what happens is we'll press up trigger. This one will help us check what the distance is meant to be, and to assign that where the distance is to be into this row. Then we'll now put this row inside this column and see if this is going to land us into a space where this is going to be 0. Then you can perform the action. If not, then it won't perform the action. So we now need to add an extra, which is for the size. This was the size of our solo, so I'm going to just add an extra 20 pixel to that. Alright, so let's see, let's try it out for a bit. Yeah, so let's go. I've not done due diligence. So we need to divide this. Can you imagine? 180. I've not done due diligence. So, but this one said, I'm just stressing myself. Subtract and bring it here right on top. Any number. Good. We have that there. uh So where the problem is, this is the problem is trying to tell us. We need to do this. Right? We need to do that. So for now, I'm just going to say colon. For now, I'm just going to say colon because x plus divided by 180. So it was very right for it to tell us. There's a problem. Now we have a bigger problem. Oh, okay. Experience of value. Can you imagine? Good. It's still not working. Okay, it was not saved. Our script is not saving. And anytime the script is not saving, because something is wrong there. Our script is not saving, and that's a lot. If our script does not save, let me Ctrl and try to address that. Okay, our script has saved. Okay, let me clear. New script 180. Okay, let's save this. So let's come. Let's say total. Okay, good. Attempt to index name with value. have been able to set our first. Oh my. So there's still something wrong. I'm going to clear all that. I'm going to try to run that. So it's saying no row because we are on row 1 column 2 according to it, and row 1 column 2 based on our matrix is 1. So we need to find out why we are on row 1 column 2. So let's look at our potential issues. Let's see which one is correct. We've been on row 2 column 2 is potentially correct. It's not exactly correct, right? But we've been on row 1 is